Okay, what's up, Boulder Gada? Welcome to another episode. I'm back after 6 months. Today we are in the newest bouldering gym here in Manila. We are in Boulder World. We are in Boulder World. Yan. Ito yung ano natin. Ayan si Migs. Hello
Hi!
So today I'm with Miss Arian, one of the managers here at Boulder World.
Hi Boulder Kada! My name is Arian. Welcome to the newest playground here. Visit Boulder World whenever you can and we'll be here for you.
Siguro, can you give us a short history of how Boulder World came to life?
Boulder World is under CCM. Climb Central Manila's goal naman talaga ever since is to spread climbing. Make it accessible to more and more people so that a lot of people can try it. Climbing is a growing sport naman talaga in the Philippines. And then the opportunity came here sa MOA. So, pagpasok natin, come to Boulder World. We have the counter over here. This is our rental area then. People who don't have their own gear yet, they can rent from us.
Which is only shoes lang.
Yes, we have 4 types of pots and then we'll go from here to here naman.
Okay,
This
ayan.
is our first floor. So we call them sectors.
Sectors muna.
Yes. So this is our first sector and ang main highlight nitong sector na to is our top out wall. Behind it, we have the stairs to climb down.
So I am currently sitting here at the top out section of Boulder World. So in this particular wall, the climbers can like cross over this certain part of the wall and then exit here to where I am sitting. No? Here in the Philippines so far, I think Boulder World is the first gym to have a top out section. It's very similar to the outdoor experience where you can top out the boulders there. No? So I think they're trying to replicate the outdoor experience here in this particular section of the wall. Okay, Arian, let's go to Sector 2 naman.
Okay,
Sige.
Sector 2, we have from the yellow route problem over there until, actually ito pa lang yung medyo may onting name na parang not sure pa, pero we call this the nose.
The nose.
Sector 3 is basically yung may blue na problem. And then up to the pink and white over there. And then our last sector 4 over here is our slab area.
So we have a slab area here. No? Yeah.
We have
Take us through the ano.
a walkway.
So we have safety guidelines.
And it leads to our restroom.
So we have our own restroom here in Boulder World. Ayan, dito tayo papasok. Sige,
And
tuloy.
then we have a shower area.
Can you explain the grading system, Arian? Sige.
So here at Boulder World, we use the bar system for the difficulty. So basically 0 to 2 bar. That's for beginners. It's beginner friendly. 3 bars to 5 bars is for beginner to intermediate. And then 6 bars to our highest, the 8 bar, that's for intermediate to advanced. And then we also have yung walang grading. It has different colors and it's the wild card. You can try the wild card and then guess
The
how
grading
difficult
system.
it is.
Mukhang masaya. I'm excited to try this part of the wall because it's
Yeah, the nose. Super overhang. Exciting. So, excited na ba? Like 5 years ago, diba? We were dreaming of this.
actually
Like more gyms.
yeah, so we're very happy naman kasi like kahit saan ka pupunta ng Manila, like there's a gym to go
Meron na.
to.
Yeah.
David, how long since your last climb?
6 months. I
Yeah.
got injured and I said no more climbing for a
We're
while.
back. Look sad.
Hi, good evening.
Evening.
Just a few questions lang, no? Like, ilang square meters yung gym and how high are the walls here?
So for the whole gym area, it's 370 square meters. And then yung walls natin, it's around 4.5 meters.
How much yung mga day pass dito para lang alam ng viewers natin? And if you have like monthly passes or annual passes.
So let's start with the first timers here. For our first timers, it will be 850 and included na dun, everything that you will need for the day. And if you're a returnee, our day pass is 650. And if you need to rent shoes, that will be an additional 100 pesos. For the monthly passes and multi-passes, they're basically same as CCM because they will be shareable between, you can use it between gyms naman.
I'm just curious kasi I've been to Singapore before and there's also a Boulder World there. So
Yes, like Climb Central Manila, which also came from Singapore,
Singapore.
Boulder World is a part of that company or group.
sige, okay, so thank you so much, Arian. Check tayo. Can you invite them? Siguro sabihin mo saan nakalocate yung Boulder World. Saan malapit kasi ang laki ng MOA
Yes.
Naliligaw kami pagdating namin dito eh. So, magbigay naman kayo ng parang landmark, no?
Hi, Boulder Kada. Please visit us here sa MOA. Nasa South Building kami or South Parking na building. And we're near SM Game Park sa Entertainment Mall.
Sige, see you inside, Arian. Thank you so much. Guys,
Thank
bye-bye.
you. Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you so much, Boulder Gato, for watching this video. Again, if you're interested to climb at the newest gym here in Metro Manila, check out Boulder World Philippines, located here at Mall of Asia. And I hope I could feature more of the newest gyms here in the Philippines. So climbing is a growing sport here in our country. So see you guys in the next episodes. Bye!